welcome to my morning world. Today is Friday and usually we go to explore new places here in United Arab Emirates, but we decided to stay here in Dubai and maybe we will find some new places over here, and this we'll find out a little bit later. Now I'm just taking you to my kitchen. Let's make a breakfast. Let's go. Kitchen. Ta-da! My breakfast. It was really good. I hope you guys also had your beautiful breakfast today and you enjoyed it. Now I am filled with energy and I'm still waiting for Vinit, and I'm gonna put my energy into the paper because I have my 5-second journal where I usually put all the things that I'm planning to do. You can see it over here. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna be doing right now, and you can also do it with me. I almost finished filling it up, and I'll tell you something about this journal.
9, 7, 1, 5.
So I almost finished filling it up. Here you can see things like you have to feel how you feel today, what is your top project for today, or what are you grateful for today. I am grateful for a lot of things. And now Vinit is finally on his way. I just need to take all the cameras that we have and all the equipment for shooting our videos, and we're going somewhere. I don't really know where, but hopefully this place will be really beautiful. Let's see, let's go guys. I'm really excited as usual. Sweetie, say hi.
What's up, what's up?
We are on Sheikh Zayed Road right now because we are going to get a drone, sweetie.
Yep. We're gonna get a drone, and I saw a second-hand one, and I'm gonna get a second-hand drone. It's gonna be my first drone, so I don't want to spend way too much. So I'm excited.
And we both don't know how to fly it, and we are not drone pilots, but Vinit is going to finish this, how to say this, flight school.
Yeah, drone piloting school.
Yeah, drone piloting school, and I hope maybe I'll also try to do it one day. We got the drone, sweetie. So we got the drone, and now we're going to eat some food and charge batteries for the drone before going to explore new places or before meeting our friend. We didn't know that today we will go to some new place, but we actually decided to do it even though it's too hot outside. Yes, sweetie? Yes! Our guys are here! Woohoo! Hi!
How are you?
Good, how are you? Where is this girl?
Wow, bro.
Ready to go! going to go to one forest which is on the way to Al Ain, but the road to Abu Dhabi is closed right now, and without the permission of the government you cannot go there. So we just went to explore other places on the way back. And here is some village, or maybe this is a farm. Smells like cows.
Smells like poop.
Even here we cannot stop. I don't know what's going on with this Friday, but everything is closed and we cannot find a place to stop and explore. So probably we'll go to just an open desert and stay there, because Vinit really wants to fly his drone and I would really want to watch the sunset.
Road looks beautiful.
No, it's really very interesting.
Today we are going to change plans again and again.
Very spontaneous.
Yeah. Very unpredictable Friday. Where is my music?
Nagin. Нет, the outlaw. Outlaw, you are.
Outloshka.
You outlaw. You make
Break the law.
no for law. You outlaw, not in-laws. You are the out of law. Becoming outlaw is like, crime. You do crime, you do outlaw. You want to be outlaw or you want to be in-law? Oh, let's go here, man. क्या फोटो है यहाँ से?
Hello, Mr. Sadvani.
Hello, madam.
On the way back home, we spontaneously changed our way and went to Al Sif to check this place, and now it's very lively. A lot of people are walking here, but none of the restaurants are open still.
Yeah.
But we
All the
hope,
businesses are shut. That's not good.
but this place is very romantic and we hope to get Baskin Robbins. Sweetie,
Yep.
tell us about Al Sif.
So let me tell you a little something. I've lived in this area all my life, and there was no Al Seef until 4-5 years ago. I would say 4 years ago. Now, this place was called the Dubai Creek, and this is where we used to come for walks, for a run, to exercise. It was huge, empty. We used to cycle here. We used to have a great time over here, and there were only one or two shops. And I think 15-20 years ago, when Dubai Shopping Festival started, this whole place used to turn into a night souk. It was just the most beautiful, beautiful atmosphere ever. However, now this whole land was taken over by Meras, and they gentrified it. They turned it into what it is today. For me, I think it's a heavily commercial spot. They have a lot of shops and restaurants, which for me, I don't really care about them. They've done a good job. It looks good. It has an authentic feel, and it's accommodating the influx of people and tourists who have come here. But I think that it has taken the soul of Bird Dubai away. Just 20 minutes walking from here, or like 3 minutes by car, you'll find Sheikh Mohammed's birth house. So,
Yes, which
is the Dubai
looks
Museum.
much more natural.
That's the Dubai Museum. That's real. This is not real. This was built. But
Yeah.
anyway, good job, Miras. Miras is one of my favorite companies in Dubai.
No, anyways, I think for tourists, this is a place where you can feel a little bit of an
Exactly.
old Dubai atmosphere.
Exactly. I wish that some of these buildings had like a little bit of a museum with some photos about what they're looking at and why they're feeling
Yes.
this souk vibe.
Not only shops, right?
Not only shop. What's the point in having so many shops?
Yes. As I told you, we're going to find Baskin Robbins and have ice cream. But we didn't find it, or maybe it's shut. So we went to Afters and I'm trying something new. This flavor called cookie dough. So I'm gonna eat this, enjoy. Vinit is having something called slush, which is also really interesting. So see you next time. Ciao.